औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम सूरह बकरा आयत 164 इन्ना फ़ी ख़ल्क़िस समावाति वल अर्दि वख्तिलाफ़िल लैलि वन नहारि वल फ़ुल्किल्लती तजरी फ़िल बहरि बिमा यनफ़उन नासा वमा अंज़लल्लाहु मिनस समाई मिन माइन फ़अहया बिहिल अर्दा बादा मौतिहा वबसा फ़ीहा मिन कुल्ली दाबतिन व तसरीफ़ुर रिहा व सहाबा वल मुसख्खरा बैनस समाई वल अर्दि आयातिल लिक़ौमि यअक़िलून. Translation. Indeed, in the creation of heaven and the earth, the alternation of night and the day, the great ship which sails through the sea with that which benefits people, and what Allah has sent down from the heaven of rain, giving life thereby to the earth after its lifelessness, and dispersing therein every kind of moving creature, and his directing of the wind and the cloud controls between the heaven and the earth are the sign for a people who use reason. Word to word translation of this verse. Inna, indeed, fi, in, khalki, the creation, as-samawati, of the heaven, wal ardi, and the earth, wakhtila, and the alternations, al-layli, of the night, an-nahari, and the day, al-fulki, and the ship, allati, which, tajri, sail, fi, in, al-bahri, the sea, bima, with what, yanfa'u, benefit, an-nasa, the people, wama, and what, anzala, has sent down, Allahu, Allah, min, from, as-samai, the heaven, min, of, ma'i, water, rain, fa'ahya, then gives life, bihi, thereby, al-ardi, the earth, bada, after, motiha, its death, wabasa, and disperse, fiha, therein, min, of, kulli, every, dabatin, moving creature, wa tasrifi, and directing, ar-riha, of the wind, wa sahabi, and the clouds, al-musakhir, control, baina, between, as-samai, the heaven, wal ardi, and the earth, la-ayatin, are sign, liqawmi, for a people, ya'qilun, who use reason. Explanation. This verse emphasizes the various signs in the universe that points to the existence and power of Allah. It mentions the creation of the heaven and the earth, the alternation of night and day, the ship that sail on the sea for the benefit of the humanity, the rain that revives the earth, the creatures that inhabit it, and the wind and clouds, all of which serve as a sign for those who reflect and use their intellect. The verse invites people to contemplate these signs and recognize the oneness and greatness of Allah. Reason for the revelation of this verse. This verse was revealed to encourage people to reflect on the natural phenomena around them and to recognize the sign of Allah's existence and power. It serves as a reminder to those who doubt or deny the existence of Allah by pointing out the various aspects of creations that clearly demonstrate His power and control over the universe. The verse calls for a thoughtful considerations of the world and the acknowledgement of the creators behind all of it. Event related to the revelation. It understood within the broader context of the Quran missions to guide people to the truth of monotheism and the recognition of Allah as the sole creator and sustainer of the universe. The verse serve as a general invitation to all people, regardless of their time or place, to reflect on the world around them and to recognize the sign of Allah's existence and power in the natural world.